morning from Memphis. Here we are at Dealers Auto Auction by midweek run. We're gonna have over 800 cars out here today. I got out here a little too late to get you some footage of the lot and the track. But we got a track over there. How you doing? I'm gonna have about 120 cars in my lane, lane 5 right here. I'm gonna jump in this lane, start them off, where we have over 200 in this lane as well. Gonna make it happen. And now we're getting the sale started. About to have some fun. About to have some fun. This place gets really wild. How you doing?
Jackson in the house. We got 200.
Time to get a rocket.
255, 793. I'm going to be 250. Now time. I'm going to be 5, 7, 8. I'm going to be 5. Here, going to be 7, 9. Here, going to be 5. Here, going to be 7, 9. Glasgow. 8, 5, 8, 6. I have. I'm going to be 5. Here, going to be 6. Here, going to be 5. Here, going to be 6. Here, going to be 5. But maybe 5, but 6. I will show you a Jeep. 4-51. Here's a 40 on the clock. Boys out there is the business. I'm going to maybe about Overland Edition 8,000. I'm going to be I'm going to take a deep breath. I'm going to what are you going to do? 33 out that door. 250. Money down. 3, 2 and 9. Going to be 5, 7, 9, 4. I'm going to be 30. 4, 5. I'm going to be pull there. Going to be pull to the wheel. I'm going to be pull there. I'm going to maybe pull there. Going to be pull to the wheel. Going to be pull. There's more Jeep than that. I'm here. I'm going to be 50, 23 miles an hour. I'm going to maybe good truck here. Hey, did you feel the movie? I got 51 grand, 1, 2 and high, 1, 5, 7 high, down 2. I'm going to be 2 to the bale, I'm going to be 250. I'm going to be 2 to the bale, 9, 5. I'm going to be 2, 5, 7, 9, 3, $3, 2 and high. I'm going to be 9, 5. I'm going to be 3, 5, spots and lead 5, 7 high. You're out now, now 4. I'm going to be full there, going to be full, going to be full, with the ball down, which way you going? Going to be full there, going to be full now. I'm going to be able to so, I'm going to
So these are my first 5 right here. How you doing, bro? Y'all know about the King Ranch. Tell them good morning on YouTube.
Hey, good morning, fellas.
Got a panoramic roof.
That's right, baby.
This is one of my favorite drivers right here.
Big rebel, baby. I'm a rebel.
He only says that because I'm a bulldog. He says still cranking over there on lane 4. They will start all the rest of them at 9:30. This is my Thursday crew. Say good morning, Monica. Say good morning, Mark.
Good morning,
Oh, and we got Tim. Good morning.
How are you?
All right. And now we're going to get ourselves started. We're going to bring these cars in. Morning, Daniel. Let's come on. Bring them in. Let's go.
Quick phone call, 13-4. 5-2. Guys, this car is ride and drive for, what do you tell me, the Carfax. The mileage is all correct on it, but per auto check, it's showing a mileage discrepancy. So we're going to send it to TMU.
It's Georgia Red.
And it is Georgia Red.
There we go. Not Rebel.
And we are going to send it to TMU for that reason, guys. He thinks the miles are right. According to at Carfax, they are right, but auto check says different. And I'm going to take it about 8,500. And 85. And about 8, 75. 6 grand. I take it about the bond. Take it about 3, about 4, about 5, 6, about 6, about 6, 7, 8, 7.
I'm super hyped right now. I just found a 6.0 LS block. Look, out here in Mississippi right now. Wesley, I believe I'm
in half a mile, take exit 7 for US 61 South, 3rd Street toward Vicksburg.
There we go. I think I'm still in Tennessee and I haven't crossed the Mississippi state line yet. Oh yeah, we're gonna be there soon, baby. We're gonna be there soon. Y'all gonna see I'm about to stuff that thing right in his back seat. Promise you that. On the way to get this LS block, baby. Let's go. Let's go.
Welcome to Mississippi.
Just crossed back into Mississippi, left the auction, and you know, like I said, I'm gonna go pick up this gold mine of a 6.0 LS block. But I've been looking for a while. I'm so excited. I'm gonna take that thing apart and stuff it right back there. Take it back to Atlanta. Yes, sir. So here we go. Got a 6.0. Look at that on the block. See it stamped right on there. That's my guy Ray. What part of Mississippi we in? Is it Wells?
Walls.
Walls. I said Wells. Lord, he look at it. He's got all the supplies here. Nice little 3-bay shop. So we got the Cathedral Port 6.0. And we're gonna try and put this thing in the back seat. You got some cardboard or something I can put it on? Or like a wooden plate, wooden pallet or something?
We're taking LS heads and putting on these blocks.
Does it direct bulk fit on? It looks like it can.
Yeah, from what I understand, it directly is the same.
Wow. So it's the 5.3 LT block. What's the engine code on this one for the 5.3? It's not gonna be LT1. L83? Okay.
L83, L86 is 6.2.
Nice. This is my first time seeing one broken down. And this one is the actual LT1?
That's 5.3.
Oh, 5.3. Okay, so the same as that one.
Same as this
Okay. Those heads make it look so much bigger.
one. That they do.
It's a taller head. That's crazy.
So you can only go so big on those with so much fuel. All right, now when you start doing boost applications and shit like that, you need as much fuel as you can get in there.
Definitely.
So the injectors don't put out enough, so they say you run LS heads.
Got it.
I ain't done none of it myself, but I hear about it all the time, honestly.
Got it.
Now, you can put big ass cam off of these if you change pistons.
Okay.
Because they only let you do like a little 2.1, like a little stage 2. Because it lifts so much. Because it'll fucking start smacking the fucking piston.
Exactly.
Because these pistons got such a raised compression height to add to it.
What is the factory compression ratio on these things?
I have no idea.
It's got to be 11.
10.5, 11, I think 10 or 11.
Yeah.
I wouldn't figure it'd be much more. Hell, it could be 9, honestly.
True.
Could
If
be
I could put some flat tops or maybe some slightly domed pistons in this thing, that'd be sweet. The goal is to get this thing to 450 minimum, 450 horsepower minimum, maybe 5. If I could do that, I'll be pushing it. Exactly.
Throw this bitch in the rear wheel drive.
Got the engine in my trunk now. Got that thing stuffed back there. Look at them hands. The block is back there. On the way back to Atlanta now, baby. Got the 6.0. Let's go. Had 2 great sales in Birmingham and Memphis. Right now, I'm actually driving back. I just got past Birmingham on the way back to Atlanta. And that's the wrap right there for the 2 days. I have another sale tomorrow in Charleston. Let's see what I can get on camera out there. If I can, I will, and then make another little video. But I just wanted to give y'all just a quick little insight and just a little scenery of what's going on in the auction and just like what it's like to be on the road running to these sales and meet some of the guys I work with and really enjoy working with and I learn from. So I'll catch y'all on the next one. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. See y'all.